Hey YouTube. And, alright. Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to show y'all how I wash some of my brushes after I get through using them. But for some of y'all who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Alicia. I actually do different types of makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, skincare, and a whole lot more, including product reviews and television show reviews. So I wanted to come and show y'all, my new subscribers, how I clean my brushes after using them. So the first thing I'm going to clean is going to try to clean my sponge. Now with this sponge, I like this sponge, and if you're wondering where I get my sponges like this from, I get them from Walmart. You heard me. And as you see, look, it's coming off pretty quickly. And what I do is, with these sponges like this, I make sure I squeeze them out real tight. But when I get through with these, I put them over to the side because I do come back to it and take it under hot water to rinse it off. So I'm just showing you how I clean some of my brushes after using them. So we're going to take the fan brush. It's no technique of doing it. This is just what I do. So what I use is I use warm water or hot water, but I advise you to use warm water. And I'll do this a couple of times. My fan brush just only takes about 3 times, so yeah. There you go. And I'll lay my brushes. I don't lay my brushes this way. I lay my brushes going this way, because if you lay them going this way, the stem of the brushes will come off. So yeah. So the second brush I'm going to do is this brush, and it takes a couple tries with this one. And this is just the easy. Now you asked me, Alicia, what kind of products do you use to clean your brushes? Okay, I will recommend. I will do a video of what I recommend to clean my brushes with. Actual brush cleaner and non alternative brush cleaners. So I do recommend brush cleaner, but if you need to wash your brushes and you don't have the brush cleaner, the one thing I will recommend is I would recommend, depends on what you it depends on what you do. I recommend shampoo or conditioner. And if you like me, you have to have you want to do a good sterilization with your makeup brushes, then find like some kind of like alcohol or alcohol free base spray to do spray on them. So yeah, but that's what I do. And things like these are like just simple thing I do. And I actually wash. I do everything in the kitchen because I can watch them. I can watch the brushes dry because I let my brushes dry overnight. So night one, I let them dry overnight, and I'm going to show you something. So once that is good and like so what you're seeing me do is like washing them, and this is my way of introducing myself to some of my new subscribers. And if you see the makeup tutorial before this, y'all, let me just say this. This is something I like doing. If you like He-Man and She-Ra, the original series, that's something I also do. I do makeup tutorials based off of them because I grew up in the 80s. Was born in the 80s and grew up to these shows better than what they have out now. But yeah, I think y'all will love those videos. It's like in those videos I am educating you on the characters and things. So we're going to take this brush right here and we're going to get a thorough cleaning. And so I'm just thoroughly cleaning them real good. And you might have to get it on a side and get it if you hear that sound, get it good and clean and stuff. I gotta get me some new brushes soon, so yeah, might go on and order those today and things. But yeah, so like I'm saying, we're gonna do them a certain way, and then I have a designated towel for my makeup brushes. So we're gonna have to do a dual version. So when you do this one, you do this. Alright. And so you take this bottom sides up first. Same way. If you want me to do products that I recommend, I surely will do it. Alright. Last brush. So then turn this upside down and do the other one. And it don't take long. Alright, and we'll do that. So these will actually dry overnight. Once I get through with that, I'll take this bottle. Now this bottle has alcohol. When I put alcohol on it, I look for the 100% alcohol to spray on them. To me, I don't have if you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend the alcohol. I'll try to find another type of spray to spray. You'll put it in a bottle like this to sanitize your bristles. So this is how I sanitize my bristles. Let them dry overnight and then do this. Do I put this on this? Yes, I do. So now I'm going to show you what I do. Let me empty this out right quick. Let me get well, yeah, I can do it. Empty this out, and I'm going to show you what I do. Now, with this might have still have a little soap in it. So what I do, and I go through with this, and I'm taking the water and I'm squeezing this like hit. I'm going to squeeze this like hit. We're gonna completely just let it get full of water and just squeeze this. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm squeezing this to the tea until all the water comes out, and then I just let that sit in there for a bit. But that's all it is to it. Yep, this is all I do to like keep between doing makeup tutorials. This is what I do to keep my brushes and my sponge clean. So that's what I do. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.